Alright, hey guys, here we have another Emerson turn of the century. Just like the one that I had from before, except this one's in horrible shape. Now, I didn't really buy this for the fan. I actually bought it for this light kit that it came with. Anyways, as you can see, I have all the internals ripped out, and that is because the switch housing is extremely loose. It turns out that these little tabs right here aren't even connected to the switch housing. That are connected through a little bracket up there. So I believe all I have to do is just twist that. No, it's still loose. So yeah. I don't know how well you guys can even see this. Not gonna be easy though, to say the least. Especially that on camera. I don't know if that's getting any tighter or not. I mean, it's getting better. Gotta make sure the wires aren't. There we go. That's pretty solid. What do you go to though? This is definitely important. I will assume that. Oh, I guess they. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff falling out of this thing. This thing had a mad case of storage rash. This right here, the flywheel, if you call it that, machine-made flywheel. It's actually supposed to be kind of like chrome. And over here we have the brackets. These blades are like walnut. These are beautiful blades. Probably gonna use these on my other one. Anyways, as you can see, this is starting to corrode pretty badly. And then up top, I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see this, but it's starting to rust pretty good around the top. There's some spots where it's actually flaked off. And actually, let me turn this down. This is getting kind of loud. Let me plug it in, and we're gonna see what happens. Sparks could go everywhere, so who knows? So I'm assuming this wire is it that black one? That looks like it's supposed to go right there. This is the same switch that the original has. Yeah, so as you can see, it doesn't even work. Now we're gonna get to the bottom of that. Prop the camera here. There we go. About that. Alright, so it's interesting. See how it's cut, doesn't look like it broke. So here we got our light wire, which is cut that off to the side. Got our other light wire. Those out of the way. We have this wire. Wire strippers. Gotta give them a little test, make sure they still work. And you get a better pair of strippers. They're kind of old and aren't working so well. Yeah, I don't remember exactly how mine was, but I believe. Yeah, that's our main hot wires, though. That most likely goes right there. And if it doesn't, you guys will probably see sparks. You guys saw sparks. Oh, Jesus. That's scared the shit out of me. Oh, man, what did that even pop? Did that pop it? Oh, there we go. Oh man. Make sure you guys know what you're doing when you're doing this kind of stuff. Now why the hell? Why did that even happen? god. Is that it? Oh, jeez, I forgot those were even connected there. Well, neutral definitely got it, because it was... Oh my god, I feel like an idiot right now. Make sure you guys are paying attention. It's not that I didn't do that right, it's that I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. So if you guys are going to put wire nuts on, just leave them off to the side. I'd recommend using wire nuts, but I'm lazy that way. What the hell? There is some major arcing going on somewhere in this thing. It sounded like it was the capacitor. Okay. Alright, so it sounds like we go to high, medium, low. So we have high, medium. So it sounds like we go to high, low, and then medium low. So there's low. That's how we get back up to speed and that turns off. Okay, so you guys saw an awesome fireworks show. That's like the second time that's happened to me. The first time was actually on the original. So, yeah, we figured that out. I don't know why they would have cut that. It makes no sense to me. I'm going to figure out what's going on with that capacitor, and we're going to make sure we don't touch this wire again. That was no fun. Alright, I'm going to go get some blade screws because this actually didn't come with any, and we'll get this thing up and running again.